Yeah, V's up, motherfucker, what it is. Visionary, we taking over the whole biz. All over your city like we in the blow biz. Never go Hollywood even knowing your show biz. Baby girl, I just wanna give it to you like you never had it. When it comes to music, I'm an addict, a killer. Ain't another iller for realer, that's where the dealer. Rest in peace, the best with beats. And I'm about to bring the heat like 5-0. Cutting records when I'm out in Cabo. Let's take up more verses than the Bible. I'm liable to murder anybody that pretend to be a contender. There's no better than us. The second we bust, they got some trust where we get it in. Cutting records like a dividend. You can kill me, but my music, it will live again. Rap pack, 6 months on the track. Gravity on the visual, so you know it's a rap. A murder, bring a shit that you ain't never heard of. I'm going in raw, no contraception. Red Dead Redemption, no need to mention. I'm a murder to beat. Hollywood on the street, you a bitch. I plan to get rich, cause my mixtapes sound like an album. Your mixtapes sound like shit. I don't give a damn, I am not cocky. I am Balboa even when the road is rocky. Telling out Moco, yeah you know I gotta go. West Deer Park where it started 10 years ago. Every time I see a hater they wanna get physical. Why? Cause when they girls see me we get physical. When it comes to women I'm a Mac, you're Adele. Pick up the mic and I shall prevail.
When the tide is high and the lights are low, you feel like there's nowhere to go. And when the stars align and the sky explodes, I'll be there, of this I know. And when the tide is high and the lights are low, you feel like there's nowhere to go. And when the stars align and the sky explodes, I'll be there, of this I know. When the sky is high, so high, and when the stars
Yeah. I'm a crazier version with 6 versions, single ladies. Sitting in shoddy with Wayne Brady and Mercedes Benz. Driving lefty, going 80 in a 10. Maybe it's cause you're busy masturbating with a friend. You don't see this next level shit that we on, we got you. Smoking in the Matrix with Keanu in the hospital receiving sedatives. I should probably get some better friends. See my mom screaming through the glass, please let them live. Smoked out brain cells, pissing don't aim well. Probably cause I just drank some liquor, now my name yelled. Across the globe, women see me in the road. Take them back to the hotel and they can see me in the road. Whoa, I'm not a fucking carbon copy of these other dudes. Make them say, like a upside down W. I've been spitting and rapping, I get bitches to tap it. I've been ballin' like Nowitzki and the Mavericks. Bitch, I make classics and never take class, but you never see the bigger picture like some reading glasses. I said it, I meant it, never fucking forget it. My rap slang make a hater get hard like some head shit. This is probably just some shit to roll a doobie up. Knew that Maddie had my back before he even threw me up. I quit selling weed, knew I had to stop, man. Used to push zips in the suburbs like Botwin. I do it all rap pop, so get your shit up. Then I can write a radio smash and get my dick sucked. Get up, it's a stick up, cause I shoot beats with lyric ammunition. And I don't wanna stop, you won't ever see me. I'm like some hot sauce when you burn a fucking CD. Cause you put my shit on everything. Knew that I would make it to the top. I know I'm better than all of these bitches coming out right now. If you ain't got no respect, shut your mouth right now. This little bitch was trying to tell me that he Hollywood. Get your production game up, man, you probably should. Nothing personal, my raps will fucking murder you. And then my microphone will take the rap, I'm fucking surgical. With words sharper than fake shanks up in your cervical. I get nervous and throw up in your motherfucking thermos. So who's next to get took? I spit dank and get cooked, so back the fuck off, cause I don't need another fucking hook. No, man, I don't need a motherfucking hook. Get the fuck back, cause I don't need a motherfucking hook. Yeah.